What's up, guys? How are you, everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Chevrolet Malibu, and this car has a problem. When I start car, check engine is there, and also one thing, when I AC sometimes on, sometimes off, like this. Sometimes AC working, sometimes not working, and my radiator fan also sometimes high, sometimes low, like this. So today I will show you actually why this happening and what you need to do. Okay, so first you need to check your diagnosis tool. See, I already checked my diagnosis tool and I got fault P0128, engine coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. Okay, that's the main fault. No, that's one P0128. So if your car have same problem, you need to replace your radiator thermostat. Okay, because before I do 2-3 car I successfully done. So this car I make video. I will show you what is the P0128 location. See, I open bonnet, and here one thing, this is engine room, this is radiator pipe, and here you can see inside this radiator pipe, this junction, there is one sensor. This full things came, not one sensor only. You need to replace this one. This full things came is thermostat full. You need to replace this one full. Okay, and then your car will be fine. So replace this thermostat system, and then your car AC and radiator fan will be perfect. Okay, thank you.